Okay, so this is QR. P is left in the first term and R is left in the second term. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now moving towards the next two terms. Can you see anything common in the next two terms?
Yes.
What is common?
R.
R. How many R's you will take common? Because in first term there are two R's, R into R, and in second term there are three R's, R into R into R. So how many R's you can take common?
2.
Two R's. So we will take R square common. Is that clear?
Yes.
And as minus sign is with both of the terms, so we will take minus common as well. Okay.
Yes.
So what is left in the first term?
P.
Only P. Very good. Now, what is left in the second term? Second term R.
R.
Yeah, very good. R. And what will be sign? We have taken minus common. If minus is taken common, what would be sign inside?
Minus.
Minus is already taken common.
Oh, plus then.
Plus, very good. Okay, now see, these are two separate terms now. This is the first term, this is the second term. Is there anything common in both?
R.
R, one R is common, very good. And any other thing? You can check the bracket.
P. In the bracket, P and R are common.
P plus R both are common. So we will take R, P plus R common. What is left in the first term?
Q.
Only Q, very good. Minus sign as it is. What is left in the second term?
The other R.
The only R, very good. This is the answer. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay, let's wait for the prayer call. Okay, back to the topic where we left. Okay, now you have to solve this question. Okay, so see the question. Question is 3x minus 3a plus xy minus ay. Is there anything common in all four?
Not in all four, but in the first two, 3 is common, and in the second, Y is common.
Very good. So take 3 common from first two and y common from second two. Very good. Okay. Plus y is common. Okay. X minus a. Good. Now can you see anything common in both of them?
Yes, and not in the first one, but in the brackets, X minus A is common.
Very good. Take x minus a common. Yes, write it in bracket.
Okay.
Yeah, yes. Okay, so what is left in the first term?
Miss, should I write like square?
No,
Because
it is only one term. You are taking it common. So only one time. Now, what is left in the first term?
C.
Okay, right, see. Okay, and what is left in the second term?
Y.
Y. So this is the answer. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. So next type is we are going to apply the formulas. Which formula? First of all, I will write the formula for you. Then we will solve the questions of that formula. So,
Okay.
do you know what is the formula for a plus b whole square?
A plus B whole square is equals to A square and
A
A
square
square, then
plus b
2AB
square plus
plus B
2ab.
square plus
Very good.
2AB.
Very good. And what is formula for a minus b whole square?
A square minus B square
No,
minus
no.
2A.
For B square, there will be always plus sign. Plus B
Oh,
square, then minus 2AB.
minus.
Okay? You have to memorize these formulas for solving the questions. Are these clear?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Now we are going to solve the question. The question is like, just a second. 25x square plus 16 plus 40x. This is the question. So first of all, the first term is 25x square, second term is 16, third term is 40x. Is 25 square of any number?
25, yes.
Okay, whose square is it?
25 is square of, we can take 5.
5. Can we write it as 5x whole square?
Yes,
Okay. Is 16 square of any number?
yes.
Okay, what is it?
3 fours are.
No, no, square.
Square. 3. No,
Three,
I think table 3.
3 square is equal to 9. 3 into 3 is equal to 9.
Um,
What is 4 into 4?
4. Yes, 4.
Yes, 4 into 4 is 16. So can we write it as 4 square?
Yes.
Okay, then this term is A, this term is B, the next term is 2A, B. So if you solve this, 2 5s are 10, 10 4s are 40, 40x. Is it equal to this one?
Yes.
Yes. So we can write is that formula like this is A square, this is B square, and this is 2AB, right?
Yes.
Okay, A square plus B square plus 2AB is equal to A plus B whole square.
A plus B whole square.
Very good. So what we will write? We will write it as A. What is A in this term?
A is 5.
5x. What is A?
5x.
And what is B?
4.
4. So we will write A plus B whole square. So A is 5x plus B is 4 whole square. This is the answer. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now you have to solve the second question. I will help you. Okay. This is the next question. Let me clarify it for you. 12x square minus 36x plus 27. First of all, see all three terms. Is there anything common in all of them? 12x square minus 36x plus 27.
Yes.
What is it?
We can take them all in table number 3. They all go for
Very
table
good.
number 3.
Very good. We will take 3 common. If we take 3 common, what is left in the first term? How many times 3 is equal to 12?
4.
4. So this is 4x square. Then minus 36. Minus how many times 36 is of 3? 3 1, 3, 3 2s are 6, 12 times.
Yes.
12x plus how many times 3 goes to 27?
27. 8. And
No, no, 3
no,
9.
9. 9.
Yes, 3 9s are 27. Is this step clear to you?
Yes.
Okay, good. So this is 3. Now, is 4 square of any number?
Yes.
Yes, which one?
2.
लोग घर पे कोई नहीं 2x
Yes.
whole square. Okay. Now, is 12 square of any number?
12.
No. 12 is not a
12.
square of any number.
No.
Okay. Now, is 9 square of any number?
3. Yes.
3. So, plus 3 square. And this is minus 2ab. Okay. Solve it. Is it equal to this one? 2 twos are
4,
4 threes are
12.
12. So is it equal to this one?
Yes.
Okay. So this is a square, this is b square, and this is minus 2ab. Which formula is it? A square
The
plus b square.
a square minus b square.
No, not a square minus b square. A minus b whole square.
Whole square. Yes, that one. Yes,
Okay.
that one.
So 3 as it is. Then a, what is a here?
2x.
2x. Then minus, what is b?
3.
3. So a minus b whole square. This is the answer. Is that clear?
Yes.
Any confusion?
No.
Okay, good. So now we are going to solve another type of question which for which we require another formula. What is that formula? The formula is a square minus b square. Do you know this formula? A square minus b square. This is equal to
Um, the previous one that we
no,
did.
a plus b into a minus b.
Oh, yes.
So a square minus b square is equal to
A plus b and a minus b.
plus b and a minus b. Now we are going to solve the question for this formula, okay?
Okay.
Okay, let me write the question clearly for you. This is 4x square minus 2y minus z whole square, okay?
Okay, miss.
This is the question. Now we are going to solve it. Is 4 square of any number?
Yes.
Which one?
2.
2. So can we write it as 2x whole square
Yes.
minus 2y minus z whole square as it is? So this is the formula. Which one? Like this is a square and this whole is b square. Clear? A square minus
Yes.
b square. What is a here? A is
This is 2x,
2x and b
2y
2y minus z. This whole.
minus z.
Okay.
Yes.
So now we have to apply this formula. So a plus b. What is a? 2x plus b. What is b? Plus 2y minus z. Okay. Then multiply by a minus b. What is a? 2x and b minus. Then what is b? 2y minus z. Are you getting the question?
Yes, miss.
Okay. So this is 2x plus 2y minus z as it is. And this is 2x. We will apply minus on both of them. So this is plus 2y. It will become
Minus.
minus 2y. And this is minus z. It will become minus minus
Plus.
plus z. So this is the answer. Be careful about the minus one. Okay.
Okay, miss.
So is it clear? Any confusion in this question?
No.
Okay, good. So next question, you have to solve it for me. Let's see. Okay, this is the question. Let me write it clearly for you. This is 6x4 minus 96. So first of all, you have to check is there anything common in them?
Common?
Like
No.
are 6 and 96 divisible by some table?
Sixes. I'm not sure about 96. 96 as well.
Okay, so which table you which number you will take common?
For 6, we can take
Yes, table
3.
We will take 6
A
common from both of them.
yes.
First term x4 is left. And in the second term, 6 ones are 6, 6 6 are 36. 16 is left. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Now, see, 6 is as it is. Is x4 square of any number?
X4?
Yes. Can you write it as x square whole square?
Yes.
Okay. And is 16 square of any number?
16, 4.
Whole square. Very good. So, what is a, this is the formula for what? A square minus b square.
Square minus B square.
Okay. What is the
That
formula?
is
A square minus b square. It is equal to?
equals to A plus B, then A minus B.
Very good. So, what is a here?
A is x square whole square and B is 4 square.
Only 4.
4.
Square is of
Oh,
factor.
okay.
A is x square and b is 4. So now we will use this term in this formula. So this is 6 as it is. And then a plus b. What is a?
A x square
And what is b?
plus 4,
Okay,
then
next.
x square minus 4.
This is the answer. Clear?
Yes.
Any confusion here?
No.
Okay, good. So, okay. Last type is remaining, which is, okay, we will do the last type in next lecture. Okay?
Okay, miss.
That was all for today. From tomorrow, we will start the exercise and solve the last type as well.
Okay.
Hmm.